बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। इस्तकबाल करती हूँ मैं आप सबका मेरे चैनल पर। Today I am sharing a unique mutton side dish recipe which can be served with dal or any liquid curries. So let's get started with the recipe. For it I have taken a pressure cooker and added 500 grams of mutton and add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per your taste. Red chilies powder 2 teaspoon or as per your taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. 2 teaspoons of oil. And now mix well. Now add 2 medium size sliced onion and now add half a cup of water. Mix well and pressure cook it and give 3 to 4 whistles or until your mutton is tender or soft. And now our mutton is cooked. Now take another kadhai or pan and heat in oil and add handful of curry leaves and green chilies and add in the oil. Fry it. And now we are going to add our cooked mutton and stir it very well and fry it continuously. And now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and a pinch of red food color, and it's optional. And now again mix it well and now add 1 teaspoon of soya sauce. Mix well and now add half a cup of water. Lower the flame for 5 minutes. Mix well. And now turn off the flame. Your mutton is absolutely ready to serve. And now serve lovingly to your loved ones. Hope you enjoyed the video and I request you all to please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. दुआ में ज़रूर याद रखें। जज़ाकल्लाह, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।